Welcome to the Superior Court of Alameda County's website. In this video, I will show you how to navigate the court's eCourt public portal. From the court's homepage, click Online Services and select eCourt Public Portal from the drop-down menu. This will open the Superior Court of Alameda County's public portal. The eCourt public portal gives you the ability to conduct name and case searches, make hearing reservations, and view case information for civil, family law, probate, adoption, and mental health cases, as well as appeals cases in those specific case types. Please note, to use some functions on this site, you must register for a user account. To view the reservation page, select Reservation System, also known as CRIS, which can be used to make and manage court date reservations. The Court Reservations page provides information about the court reservation system. It provides the ability to make a reservation and find a reservation. To the right of the page is additional information like participating departments and frequently asked questions. There is also a public reservation lookup to search for court reservations made by opposing parties and the ability to recover your PIN for your account. Select Home to navigate back to the public portal homepage. You can select Searches, which can be used to find case and party information and access images of documents that can be downloaded and printed for a fee. The search page opens and provides information about public online case access and document access through the eCourt public portal. In addition to providing access to images of documents, the portal offers name searches for a fee, where you can search by name and receive a list of case numbers that match the party names searched. There is also calendar search, where you can see calendars for a specific date and department. There is case number search, where you can enter a case number and view the register of actions and future hearing dates, and view and/or print images of case documents for a fee. The Public Reports Filing search provides a link to view all non-confidential cases that have been filed for free for the first 5 days from the date of the filing. Document Downloads provides the ability to download non-confidential, non-sealed documents for a fee. The request for certified copies can be made by clicking the Request for Certified Copies link, which will open an email window to email the request to the Records Management Unit, or a request can also be made by downloading and submitting the Civil Records Request form. This page also includes additional search information like frequently asked questions and a reference guide. Select Home to navigate back to the public portal homepage. To view Civil Direct Calendaring departments, you can select Direct Calendaring, then select your assigned department to view case information. To view Civil Complex departments, you can select Civil Complex, then select your assigned department to view case information. To view Alternative Dispute Resolution page, you can select Alternative Dispute Resolution, also known as ADR, which provides information about what ADR options are available and explains the advantages of using ADR. Select Home to navigate back to the public portal homepage. This concludes our video for navigating the eCourt public portal. Please see the court's website to view the video on how to navigate the court's website for e-filing information.